Well, when you order the mini arcade cabinet, these are the parts you're going to get. You get the two sides, you get the back panel, you get the front, the monitor adapter. These two pieces are for holding the marquee on. That is the top piece that goes on the very top. That's the very bottom piece. Keyboard, speaker, and these are the side pieces that the back panel mounts to. Then you get the bezel. You also get, this is the marquee holder for the marquee light that goes behind the speaker panel. And you get the plexiglass, the marquee, and control panel. And then you also get this package of hardware for assembling the kit. So the first thing you want to do when you get your kit is take everything out and take inventory. Make sure you have all of this. And if you don't, well, something went wrong. But we always double check, so when these go out, that's what you get. So the next video, we're going to be applying the graphics to the side pieces, which is the first step in assembly of the kit.